Focus. Indian team will be facing the Kiwis in the finals of the Champions Trophy in Dubai on Sunday. Team India will enter the match as favourites, having won 7 ODIs in a round route to the final. However, India do not enjoy a great record against New Zealand when it comes to tournament finals. The men in blue have not beaten the Kiwis in an international cricket final since 1988. India and New Zealand have faced off twice in the final of a major senior ICC event, and the Black Caps have won on both occasions. India have already defeated New Zealand once in the group stage of the Champions Trophy 2025 and will be aiming to end it with a win. On the other hand, the Kiwis will be looking to handle the 4 spinners on the Dubai pitch with its own volley of spinners.
A lot of excitement here amongst people. You can see the cheers now that the players are walking out. We can see Rohit Sharma here coming out. He's just waved to the fans. There is Ravindra Jadeja that we see right now. Hardik Pandya, of course. He's coming in here to sign the bats for these little kids. These are beautiful visuals right here when he is signing the caps and bats and, all these things for the fans. So obviously a huge moment here for these little kids who want their bats signed by Hardik Pandya, and he is here spending time with his fans as well. There is Shubman Gill, there is Virat Kohli that is coming here, and he is also signing bats for the kids. This is what is, very, very special here, that Virat Kohli is spending time with his fans as well. And this is very special. What would you? And people want me to get their signatures because I have access but they don't have. I am fortunate for that, but I can't be doing that for everyone. I got you the Virat signature. What do you want to say? Thank you so much. Are you excited? Of course I'm excited. So this is a fan who just got Virat Kohli's signature, and you can see here he's still signing bats. He's still giving signatures here. Excitement is very, very real. Kohli chants here at the ICC Academy. A huge number of Virat Kohli fans, Virat Kohli supporters here as well, who want to give Virat Kohli signature. Can you tell me why are you jumping with joy?
Because I want to
to the camera.
I wanted to meet Virat Kohli, and I got to sign here also Hardik Pandya. And
Oh my God! Whose signature is this?
Virat Kohli.
Virat Kohli. So Virat Kohli fans here, show it to the camera. Like I said, he's got a signature. He's got a signature here of Virat Kohli on his jersey. And any message for the Indian team? 9th March, very, very important. We lost in 2017, so it's important we win it.
Kohli is going to score a century and India is going to win.
So you're predicting Kohli century in the final?
Yeah.
And you were saying something?
Check the India. We hope India wins the final, and we are too much excited to see it. And hopefully India bowlers as well as batsmen play a major role, and as the pitch belongs to spinners, we hope Varun does it again and he strikes and Virat Kohli has a century.
And I see this guy over here with a very nice t-shirt which says New Zealand Cricket Champions Trophy Cricket Australia. And how many bats do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is already signed. Can you show me the signatures here? So it's got Virat Kohli's signature, it's got Ajinkya Rahane, it's got Rohit Sharma, Cheteshwar Pujara, Mayank Agarwal, Ravichandran Ashwin, Jadeja, Saha, Ishan Sharma. So are you aiming for Rishabh Pant today?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. And also I'm aiming for Shamis as well.
Oh, Mohammad Shami, I saw that. That's missing. And you have Kuldeep Yadav and you have Shubman Gill. So just 1 or 2 left. Yeah. And what would your message be to the Indian team?
Good luck, and I hope Kuldeep takes a fifer.